Not your average construction site back there. We were there today as wildlife crews with the Humane Society attempted to rescue 24 gopher tortoises from a new Orange County development. Channel 9's Kenneth Craig went to the neighborhood on Scrub J Road in Apopka and found out where those tortoises are now going and who's paying for it.
And it is not an easy job. Every single one of these flags right here marks the spot where they believe a tortoise is living underground. And every single one of those holes they have to dig up, a process that, as you can see, will take days.
I think he's 1, 2, 3, 4.
It is a painstaking process, one burrow at a time. Hours in the hot sun.
We should be there.
And a field of potentially 24 threatened gopher tortoises.
It can take from 30 minutes to 3 hours to excavate a single burrow. And at the end of that excavation, there may or may not be a tortoise in the hole.
We were there today as workers and volunteers with the Humane Society found and rescued one tortoise after another. The field is in the middle of an Apopka subdivision where homes will soon be built.
In many properties where they either don't have a permit or they don't follow FWC regs, tortoises do get buried, and it's truly horrific.
Both the tortoise and its burrow that it shares with 350 other species are protected under state law. Rescuing and moving each tortoise cost the Humane Society about $300, a day of work about $2,000. It's paid for with donations and grants. Officials tell me developers often chip in as well.
They're accepting the opportunity to do the right thing and get these tortoises to be dug out and saved and taken to a preserve.
Now, while we were here today, we saw them rescue about 6 tortoises. They believe there are about 24 on this property. Reporting in Apopka, Kenneth Craig, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.